Mm. Gold is definitely super selling off. Mm. 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 Hey, yo, what's up? Mm. Yeah, dude. I don't know what the hell is going on with Nasdaq right now. Well, actually, no. We talked about this on what day that was? Monday. We talked about this Monday. It all this is just the market tapping right back in. Yeah, I don't want to mess with it. When price came back down to 17,700, all it did was the bulls bought the retest of that breaker structure to the upside where the market traded 1,600 points to the upside. So there's definitely going to be a bunch of buying going in this area or coming from this area. And when I say that gold is a better bitch than Nasdaq, I mean that. Oh, I mean that. I've already hit maximum daily profits. So right now, I'm trading in the sim. Man, gold doesn't do that stupid shit that Nasdaq does. Once she's in her downtrend, there is no unnecessary reversal. She just trends. And I love that. No unnecessary reversals. I mean, if I'm on the right side, I can comfortably add to the position. I hate that I have to close it at 1800. It's like I make the rule and it's like the universe is like, okay, he made that rule now. Now let's get him super interested in trading gold where I'm literally cutting the position as it starts to begin. And I can definitely be up like 10K, 20K with gold because I was in at the top right here. I started shorting the market up here. I mean, I guess we could see, the bulls come back up here, but I'm in the sim right. Well, let me stop saying that. Hold on, give me a second. Give me a second. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, 200%. As long as I keep my stops tight, I can always make my money back with gold. And that's why I love gold right here. I mean, I don't have to risk too much to be right. I don't have to risk too much to be right, baby. I don't know what the hell that is. Oh, yeah, I forgot. We got the ISMs and all that other stuff coming out. Forgot about that. I was like, what the hell's going on? You got the ISMs and stuff like that. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Yo, gold is a bad bitch, yo. She's a bad bitch. She's a bad one. Let me see if I can make a little bit more money. Let me see if I can. She's a bad one. She's a bad one. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, the Nasdaq shot up too. Damn. So gold dumped and NQ pumped. Okay, so this is an area where I do think that we will see a pump on gold. Let me see. Oh shit. Never mind. Never mind. I do think that we do see a move back up on gold here. Let's go, baby. We caught the pump. We caught the dump, and we about to catch this pump if it keeps pumping. You said, look at Nas. Yeah. Let me look at my spreadsheet and see if we're at a level where the Nasdaq we could potentially see. Uh, Hmm. So that's new. That's new. Hmm. I mean, especially if you want to hit your targets and stuff, because it's not gonna do it. That's probably not. That's probably wasn't a good entry on gold. Yeah, I'm gonna get stopped out instantly on that one. That probably wasn't a good entry. Hmm. You say your data is cooked. Is your data delayed? All right. So I mean, we're definitely. Well, I mean, we could see bulls taking profits and bears starting to sell here. But as long as we get a strong green candle above that, then we should be good. Or I mean, if they fail to push it above this high, then we could see a move back down. Hmm. Hey, yo, what's up, Bray? How you been? I think if I'm looking at the charts correctly and if the market gods are aligned, I think we're gonna probably tap that high, probably get to like 130ish, and then we could see a move down. But I mean, first we still have to get past this high right here. I mean, we got to get past that high. If we don't get past that high, then we're going down. Remember, we've been trending all day, so we got nothing but triangle stops underneath all this trending. There is no real support. There's no rectangle support at all. This is triangle stop. So if this shit, if the bulls don't keep pushing, you're gonna drop. They don't keep pushing here. Look at that perfect entry on gold. You gotta love gold. How can you not love gold? How can you not love it? Nasdaq is doing all that weird shit, and here it is that gold literally taps my entry. I'm only in a few points of drawdown, and I instantly get my targets hit. How can you not love gold? How can you not love gold? How? How can you not love this instrument? I mean, shit, you instantly make your money. Gold is a way better bitch. Uh, hmm. All right, so we'll go back to the NQ. All right, so we're about to get our targets hit here. It looks like the bulls are trying to get above this high, but we all know how the Nasdaq is with her lying ways. Now let's see if we can get above this high. If we don't see a big red confirmation candle here, we could see a push to retest these highs, but yo, congratulations on that, Bray. Congratulations. We broke up. Griffin Trade said that NQ is about to pump, so I was like, you know what? I'll trade her one more time. And Bray, that's totally understandable. That is totally understandable. That is totally understandable. I mean, these streams, because yeah, trading is definitely a zero sum game. It definitely I guess depending on your personality. I mean, I guess if you're already someone that is very comfortable being in their own space, trading is just normal. Nobody around, no distractions, no nothing, whatever. But there's a lot of people that just kind of want to, be a part of a community when they trade. They want to, share ideas, bounce ideas with other people, talk about it with other people. And that's what these streams are for. And kind of going back to what we were saying, yeah, is that high right here that's going to be, tough for the bulls. I mean, they got to get above this high right here. I mean, we do got the EMA sloping up. We do got the bulls making an attempt to buy off the 21 EMA. So, I mean, as long as we can see a push, we should be good. But I wanna pay attention to what price does at that high right there, because I'm thinking 120, 125, like 130, 125, maybe a little bit above this high. I want to see how the market reacts. If we get a push and price holds, then I know that this is an area where bulls are highly likely to step back up for a move higher. Nope. I mean, shit, NQ's been hurting my feelings. Why would I be loyal to that? Gold has been treating me nice. Now, shit, perfect entry with gold. I mean, shit, I took only 10 points on gold. This thing is already up like 20, damn near. So, uh, hmm, hmm. You know, honestly, I had a dream about gold last night. I literally had a dream about gold. All right, so we got those two targets hit. I mean, honestly, what I probably should start doing is once I get these two targets hit, honestly, I should probably start bringing my see, there we go. There we go. Man, NQ. Man, you're so predictable, NQ. You're so predictable. You're so predictable, NQ. You're so predictable. God damn. God damn, NQ. And shit, we talked about that before the price action was even on the charts. All right. So, you know what? I mean, with that drop, you know, I'm going to take a chance on a continuation short. I'm going to take a chance. I'm going to take the chance. You know, if I'm wrong here, I'll just get stopped out. But I'm going to take the chance, man. Because I just had a feeling that the market was going to do this drop right here. And yeah, that was a 100-point drop, just like you said, Alfred. 100 points, just like that. Just like that. Yo, I grabbed one of them. I was gonna buy like 3 of those last night. I don't know if anybody saw, but Apex made a correction. They increased the price. I'm not getting one of those accounts. I bought one, but I'm not gonna let it renew. I don't know why Apex thought it was cute to do that stupid shit. Because they lost money. I was willing to buy 3 of them damn things. Maybe even 4. But I only bought one because they wanted to be cute with the price. They wanted to be cute with the price, so I ain't buying. I'm only buying one. And Investor Z, that's right. I'm definitely going to start detoxing from the Nasdaq and her toxic ways. Like last night, if y'all guys were with me, man, I super projected the Nasdaq onto gold, and man, she's not like that. Gold is not the NQ. She is not the NQ. She is not the NQ. All right, so we got 2 good trades back to back. I mean, shit. Yeah, I mean, I don't know why you wouldn't take this. I mean, you're up $800. Yeah, that's probably what it is. Yeah, that's probably what it is. But you know, honestly, a $2 million payout shouldn't be make or break for them if they're making. Well, I mean, if the documentation is correct, if they're making 20 million, 14, 15 million a month, 2 million should not be anything to them. And are you starting to see that now these prop firms are now starting to do never ending sales? A lot of the prop firms are now, it's like, you know what, fuck it. Apex got it. Well, let's just take their model. They're always finding a reason to have a sale. All right, so we're coming up to our first target on Nasdaq for our scaling. I mean, I think this was a really good trade. We recognized that this was going to be an area where the bears was going to come in. They definitely came in. And now this could potentially be a two-legged pullback into support here. This could be a two-legged pullback into a previous area of support. So, I mean, we kind of have to watch out. I mean, we do see a range right here. That is a range, but if this was gold, I'd be like, this is where the EMA's at. But man, Nasdaq don't be respecting these damn EMAs, man. She don't. Mm. That's what I'm talking about, baby. I got that reset. That's what I'm talking about, baby. I got that reset, baby. All right, let's see if I can get another reset. Let's see if they'll give me another one. And I'll trade these MFF accounts. So moving forward with these MFF accounts, with these smaller accounts, I'm not going to trade NASDAQ or gold. I can be perfect in both the NASDAQ and gold, but there's just times where both of those instruments just be doing the most at times. They just be doing the damn most. Kind of like this stupid shit right here. This is why I don't want to trade NASDAQ no more. This is why I don't want to fucking trade her no more. I mean, this is unnecessary. I hate this so much. I hate it. It's been so long since I've experienced the bounce before the TP crap that it's like, yeah, this is why I don't like the Nasdaq no more. This is why I don't like her no more. Look at that, yo. Look at that, yo, yo, yo. How can you not love gold, man? She's been hitting my TPs. She's been hitting my entries and my TPs all morning. She's been doing that. She's been showing nothing but love to me all morning. She's been showing nothing but love to me all morning. But I'm starting to see. So hold on. Let me see something. Let me see something. Hmm. Yeah, I don't know when that started happening. It seems like if I cancel an order, it cancels both of them. I don't know what the heck that's about. Let me guess. Nasdaq came back and stopped me out. I can only make that assumption. That's what she just did. 25. Give this like a few more points, but not too much. I don't know if gain weight going to show up today. I don't know if gain weight going to show up. Yeah, of course, that's exactly what the hell she did. And then she hits my target. Yeah. And then she hits my target. Yo, no way, dude. And then she hits my target. Huh. Real cute, Nasdaq. Real cute. Mm. Dang, what happened, Investor Z? Yeah, well, Griff can trade. What I was actually targeting was kind of coming back down into this area. I mean, obviously the Nasdaq, for whatever reason, felt the need to, and like I said, this is what I guess I'm so used to this. The unnecessary pops that when I go to an instrument where they don't do shit like that, it's really a cognitive dissonance. I'm really starting to realize that it really is a cognitive dissonance because last night, I guess what I was saying before, when I was trading gold, uh, I tried trading the gold like how the Nasdaq trades, and I found out real quick that she is not the Nasdaq. When she's in a downtrend, she's in a downtrend until you see a reversal pattern. She's in a downtrend. She's in a downtrend. She means that shit. Nasdaq will stop you out and then continue to go in your direction and hit your TP just like what she did here. Like I wonder why she's like, why did she do that? She could have hit my TP first, but she chose not to. And then they took the liquidity above this high, and it looks like we're about to see the market come down. Yeah, I'm not dealing with the Nasdaq like that no more, man. That shit pisses me off. I mean, good thing I was in the sim with that. Oh yeah, so yeah, last night like had this crazy ass dream about gold, man. And in this dream, I realized that, huh, I guess I really want to find the right words because these are words that I don't particularly use. But the NQ is really abusive. And I felt myself last night kind of detoxing. Like, I know we joke about it a lot, but I think mentally I've really become accustomed to the craziness of the NASDAQ that it really does affect how I trade other instruments because I'm thinking that the NASDAQ is going to do it or any other instrument is going to do exactly what the NASDAQ just did. I was up $900. It couldn't, for whatever reason, she chose not to hit my TPs for whatever reason. And then stop me out. She chose to stop me out first. Like she literally stopped me out at the tick. And that's just what's so crazy. She literally stopped me out at the tick because my stop was at 99. She literally stopped me out, hit my TP, and then went back up. I don't gotta deal with that shit. Hold on, did I'm definitely gonna be trading gold for that Ninja Trader competition for sure. I'm definitely gonna be trading gold. I'm not trading Nasdaq at all. I'll probably trade ES before I trade Nasdaq. I don't have to tolerate that bullshit from Nasdaq no more. Hmm. I mean, we can definitely see. I can get my targets hit. I can get my targets hit here. I mean, this is definitely a reversal pattern right here on gold. You got the move up, the breaker structure, them coming back up. Yeah, this is definitely. I can definitely get my targets hit here. Hmm. Hmm. Hell yeah, dude. That's crazy. Yeah, Michael. Yeah, dude. Michael. Yeah, I honestly, like I said, we joke about it, but I really think that's exactly what the hell is happening. Because I think I slept. Dude, ever since I started trading gold, I've just been sleeping differently. I've been sleeping. I've been actually going to sleep. And I guess I've been doing it for so long, you don't realize it until something drastically changes. And then you're like, whoa, whoa. I didn't know that NASDAQ was having this kind of effect on me. Because I mean, if you think about it, if you trade the NASDAQ, it's if you want to be consistent with her, either you have to be super patient or you have to be, no, actually, you just have to be very super patient with her and take your profits. And gold respects structure. But anyway, it's like, I mean, honestly, I guess what I realized last night is, damn, will today be the day? I think I've said this before, but when I was trading only the NASDAQ, it's like, is the day today where the NASDAQ is going to overshoot, not bounce at supply or not drop at supply and bounce at support? Will she keep on going today for no reason? Will all my hard work go down the drain today? And I guess that constant thought of, dang, I mean, now I got to make sure that I go in and make sure I do the work and blah, 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 blah. because the Nasdaq wants to do what she wants to damn do instead of trading like everybody else. I guess that really has had an effect on me. I mean, shit, even though gold is trending down, I mean, shit, she's trending down. Shit, Nasdaq would just anyway. And so yeah, I find myself sleeping better now at night. Now that I'm dropping the NQ for gold. Hmm. Nasdaq says, yeah, I know exactly what scale you're talking about. The harder she is, the more crazy she is, but you can't let her go. You can't let her go. I don't know why, but I love her, man. I love her. I can't let her go. She drives me crazy, but I can't let her go. Mm. She drives me crazy, but I can't let her go. But yeah, that PTSD trading the Nasdaq is absolutely real. That shit is real. That shit is freaking real. Actually, let's look at ES real quick because I haven't. I mean, this is kind of why this is what turns me off from the ES is all this chopping. This is what turns me off. And ES is kind of getting to the point to where she won't break through supply or support, but she'll grind through it. And she's starting to do that shit now too. Kind of like with old Nasdaq, ES is literally trying to be old Nasdaq for real. But she still respects structure. I mean, she's too liquid to be doing anything crazy. But as you can see how she's grinding through it, she's grinding through it, and then you get the drops, and then she's grinding. She's just, but I mean, overall, I mean, the ES, I mean, shit. It was at a point in time, it was unheard of for the market to move more than 20 points in a damn day on the ES. Now we're getting 100-point moves on the ES. Damn near. We've already actually touched 100 points. We're actually above 100 points. I think what 122 points today so far on ES. I mean, she's definitely changed, but mm, mm, yeah, Griffin trade, yeah. And I'm kind of done with that too. I'm kind of done with the. I mean, I'll buy these Apex accounts. I'm going to follow my $1,800 maximum daily profit. I'm gonna follow that. And I'm just gonna get in the habit of doing that because with these 300K accounts, shit, if I make $1,800 to $2,000 a day in 10 days, and that's the same payout window of Apex, I'm already in that habit of doing that. I'm already in that habit of just building the account day by day. And all I got to do is when I get into the PA account, just continue to do the same thing versus trying to get as much money as possible per day. Just have just like a set limit, something that's easily attainable, easily repeatable. And $2,000 is definitely that. Ah, man, gold. Ah, man. Hmm. 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 You know what? I'm gonna buy this on gold. Again, I'm in the sim. I want to buy this on gold. I just want to see if I just want to see if they're going to buy this off the 21 EMA like they're doing now, and if we're going to push past this area of resistance. Nice. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Mm. Look at that with gold. Mm. Look at that. Mm. Mm. I didn't even think this was going to work, but look at that. Look at that. Mm. Well, look at that. Mm. That's like, dude, look, I mean, damn. We trading gold for this damn competition account. Yo, look at that, yo. Look at that. Hmm. Look at that. Are you thinking of the recess coming? Yeah, shit. Let me hurry up and get absolutely beautiful right there. Oh shit. Ah, damn it. Damn it. Damn, that was too quick. Damn, that was quick. Damn. Damn, that was quick, man. Damn, that was quick. Fuck. You gotta love the NQ or you're just stop trading her. You gotta love the NQ or you're just stop trading her. Okay. Hopefully they drop one more. Hopefully they drop one more. 49975. 49975. Hmm. That's not it, actually. 468. 468. 4950. Yeah, I'll just probably do that. Hmm. Yeah. I mean, that's kind of why I'm kind of moving away from the indices. Nobody wants to deal with that shit every damn day. All right, so I mean, gold is trending again. It's trending to the upside. So I guess we could. Hmm. You know what? I'm gonna buy this. Let me see if they actually buy this right here. Uh, Actually, you know what? I just noticed something. Let me actually do this. I just noticed something. All right, so let's see if they're gonna trap underneath this low right here. And if not, then obviously I'll be wrong. Let me see if they're gonna trap underneath this low. I guess there goes that trap. Unless that's the trap right there. Maybe I should put another buy stop right there. Oh shit, unless this is the trap right here. You gotta be quicker than that. Yo, congratulations on that, Bray. I mean, isn't this situation so beautiful? Bray is using his payout money to pay for his wedding. What a beautiful thing. And that's the kind of freedom that these prop firms provide. You treat this thing like a business, the business will treat you. And instead of using his own funds that he worked hard for, I'm not saying that trading, you don't work hard, but man, you're literally using somebody else's funds to make money, to pay for the things that you want to do in real life. And if we can see a drop here. Yo, it's definitely, man. Definitely. It feels like, dude, honestly, doesn't it feel good to say that you literally generated your own income to finance something that you wanted to do for somebody else? You did that all by yourself. You generated your own income. You didn't have to clock into anybody else's clock. All you had to do was sit down, study, be disciplined and consistent, and focus on your goal. And you were able to achieve it. I think that within itself right there is just the reward in all of it, honestly. So now you can't sit here and tell yourself that you're not capable of doing it because you've already proven it to yourself. Now that inner critic can't talk shit. It's like, yeah, you can't do this. And you'd be like, yeah, I can do this shit. You see this bank account? It's full of money that I earned in trading in the market. And now I get to do something for somebody that's special to me. Yeah. Bro. Yo, Smith, yo. Gold, Smith, for whatever reason, doesn't want to accept that gold is the baddest out here. You talking about NQ. Anybody talk about NQ no more? Gold is the baddest.
At the 2000 level and sold off from there. But all right, guys and gals, and anything else, you need to be subscribed to this YouTube channel in order to be eligible to win a free account. Couple second countdown now. Lumi, will you help us with the giveaway and say the code is going on the screen now?
Yeah, of course. Where's the code? I cannot see this.
All right, let's roll it. Boom.
Okay, guys, good luck.
Code is up. This is for 100 two-step.
Why did I do something so foolish?
100 of you out there. That brings it to a total of 300.
That's what I'm talking about, baby.
Winning free accounts. Free
That's what I'm talking
today.
about.
This is for our two-step eval to live plan E2L3.
That is not fair.
Code is on the screen.
That is, dude. That is not fair, dude.
I would like to thank you for joining us.
That
today.
is not fair.
Thank you for inviting me, guys.
Woo! Can we get a W Lumi in the chat? We're looking for a W Lumi. Yep, Forrest has got it. Barb's got it. I've got it. W Lumi in the chat.
Yeah, that is not fair, dude.
And we look forward to having you on soon. All right, Idona, I would like to welcome you back on to the stream with us to close us off for the day.
Bro, that's not fair. That is not fair.
Thank you, Luke.
Yo, if the
All right,
coupon gets
Barbie
accepted,
and Forrest, any
that
final
is not
thoughts
fair,
before we
dude.
close
That
it
is
down for
not fair,
today?
dude. Oh my god. That's not fair.
No, so my alert hit for that
That's not fair.
next untested high, right? We did a little bit of a pullback to the session POC, but we're building value higher. So it looks like we are going to crack this and continue. So I've just been watching this kind of to see how the intra-session VP is forming. And we might just end up sweeping these highs. We're up to 19,400, and I'll look for a shorter on that price. Or just any trade around that price. You could have been, probably the best trade would be to just be long this entire time. I wasn't. So it is what it is. Barbie?
It is what it is. Yeah,
the ideal spot for me to get long was last night, and that's why I've been struggling getting long in this morning. So I have just taken a couple little scalps since what I really wanted to set up was this move back lower, and we didn't get it. And I saw a lot of chat, and I saw a lot of people in my Discord like, where's our trade? Where's our trade? And if you have a system and you have trades that you're watching for and they don't set up, it's okay if they don't set up and you don't get the trade in. So I wanted to mention that today too.
Thank you, Bull Barbie. And thank you guys for being here. And all right, we've come to the end
That
of
is
today's market
not
journey.
fair.
Whether you're feeling bullish or bearish,
That
or
is
just
not
building
fair,
a
dude.
playbook, remember, knowledge is your most valuable asset. My name is Adona, and this is My Funded Futures. Until next time, trade smart and live well. Bye.
Actually, you know what? She's not the Nasdaq. She's not the Nasdaq. Hmm. 'Well, I guess I should have stayed in the long then. $287.6. $280. Damn, dude, look at that, yo. That's crazy. Look at that long. Look at that. Yeah, the ES didn't even give you a chance for a pullback at all. Actually, let me see something real quick. Huh. So I have no clue what the hell is going on or why it's doing that. For whatever reason, if I close out a limit order, it's closing them out on everything. $19, 165. 19, 200. 19. We'll see if they turn prior resistance into support here. We'll see. Hey. The gold slander will not be tolerated. The gold slander will not be tolerated. Gold is the baddest bitch in here. I know this dude did not just fucking send me this stupid shit. I know he ain't sent me that stupid shit. I can't believe he just sent me that. I can't believe that. I can't believe he just said that stupid shit to me. Mm. You said that gold loves taking my money? I don't know, Alfred. She's been giving it to me. Definitely been giving it to me. The Nasdaq, on the other hand, that's something totally different. For whatever reason, she loves taking my damn money. Hmm. Look at that. Another opportunity right here. I mean, shit. Gold is over here giving you free trades and shit. I mean, shit. This was literally a free trade. Damn, gold literally gave you a free, perfect trade right there. She gave you another one right here. She gave you another one right here. Huh. So that's interesting. So this trend indicator works really well with gold. And it's a good place to put your stop. I mean, put your stop a couple of points below it, or however you feel comfortable placing your stops. But I mean, this trend indicator has definitely been. Huh. Let me see. Well, let's see. I mean, do we see that? Like, no, we don't see that. We don't see that. I think we see a move back all the way up to this area. I think we see a move back up here. Hmm. We got a swing high right there. We got a swing high right here. Hmm. Damn, gold is like that. Damn, it's like that. I mean, hmm. Hmm. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I mean, price is going to have to get above. First, I mean, price is going to have to first prove itself above this high first. I mean, You got to prove itself above that high first. Hmm. You know what? Fuck it. We'll take it. Hmm. I think I think I may be on the wrong side of the Nasdaq, but we'll see. I think I may be on the wrong side of it. I like that my stop is literally underneath this range right here, because I mean, if we see a break, I mean, we're gonna go down from here. And we got to break a structure. The bulls are failing to buy the retest here. We're making lower lows, or I'm sorry, lower highs. Yeah, I think I'm on the wrong side of it. I think, yeah, okay. Yeah. Yeah, honestly, I think that's exactly what they'll probably do, Griff can trade, honestly. I think I mean, if like I said, if they don't hold this range, we're gonna go through. We're gonna go down. Hmm. Okay. All right. Hmm. Hmm. Gold is very consistent. I love that. I love that. I love that. Man, this is gold anonymous now for sure. This is definitely gold anonymous. I'm sitting here gaslighting myself. I'm sitting here gaslighting. There's no way that gold will short at these equal highs. There's no way she'll do that. And here she shorts right at, oh my God. There is no way gold is going to sit here and short at these equal highs again. I love how all I risk on this trade was $600, and here I'm up double that. Mm. Mm. Okay. Well, the Nasdaq stops me out. Okay. Mm. All right. So, I mean, that does look like the Nasdaq is going to start trending down. It does look like it. Okay. But then the 200 EMA is in the way. All right. So then does the Nasdaq? Okay. All right, man. All right. We'll see what happens here. I mean, I don't think the Nasdaq goes up. I do think that, I mean, now that we're making lower highs, the Nasdaq does want lower. The only thing that, that's concerning about this position right now is that we got this 200 EMA in the way. Sometimes you gotta pop up and show certified boogeyman. I'm the one that up the scope with it. Yeah, that's something I ain't gonna. Yeah. Mm. Mm. All right, so let's see what they do here. I mean, let's see what they do here. I mean, with the Nasdaq, V bottoms are real. I mean, she don't necessarily need structure to sit here and take this whole entire move out. Um, mm. Yeah, and I see that, and that's kind of why. That's kind of why I hate taking shorts with the Nasdaq, especially. Because they, for whatever reason, they just need to do the same move 10 times before they're able to get their move down. I mean, by the time the bulls, like, honestly, I think I would have had probably like one runner target. So, I mean, in the short that I was in earlier, it was, I mean, first the Nasdaq stops me out. She needed to stop me out. And my stop was all the way, like, just like my stop is 54 points in micros. So, like, I'm kind of like, yo, like, that was kind of effed up by the Nasdaq, because she literally stopped me out at the tick, hit one of my targets, but then I would have been completely stopped out if she didn't stop me out here. This move would have completely stopped me out. She does this, she does that, and then she would have hit all my targets. Like, she needs to do all this stuff on the short side. This is why I hate trading the short side with the Nasdaq, because it's always that, well, the bulls come in and take me out before actually hitting my target. Bull crap. But I'm not going to trade against the I'm not going to, well, I guess I would, but if the bears are in control, I mean, I'm not going to try to long it and try to And these are the days that usually that I absolutely hate, is when the bears are in control, but the bulls are still popping it up and popping it up and popping it up. Hate these days. These are the days where I blow my accounts on Nasdaq. Up. Well, I got my gold play hit. All right. So, I mean, we've had a lot of opportunities on gold. We had a lot of opportunities on gold. A lot. Oh, there we go, baby. There we go. Oh, there we go. Oh, let's go. There we go, baby. There we go. All right. You know, I might add into this, man. I built this shit brick by brick. And this is my life, man. I stopped watching Snowfall. I stopped watching the last season of Snowfall. Yo, what's up with that? You see, like, now my orders are getting closed out. I wonder if Apex is doing something to where you can't buy and sell at the same time. You know what? Let me see something real quick. Let me see something, because this thing is, let me see if this will close out let me see if it'll close it out. Because all of a sudden now I can't buy and sell. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh. Damn. Y'all see that? All right, so I can still buy and sell at the same time. Okay. I was like, dude, why is it doing that? All right. And this is why I hate shorting the market on the Nasdaq, man. That's so crazy. What the hell was that? What the hell was that? Did Trump say something? What the hell was even that? I guess I got to keep financial juice up at all times. Actually, let me get my phone real quick. Hold on. So Trump says we're going to make a lot of money for our people. Hold on. Did something just happen? Oh shit, I'm in short with gold? When did I do that? When did I get in short with gold? When did I do that? Dude, I don't remember getting in a gold position. I really don't. But I guess I glad I did, I guess. When did I do that? Oh yeah, this right here, because I put a limit right here. I forgot. I put a limit right here. And it only 3, and it almost stopped me out too. Are you seeing that on Bookmap? Actually, let me look at Nasdaq. You said a 399 lot on Nasdaq. Hmm. $68. I mean, I guess technically, yeah. I mean, I could be wrong. Actually, I'm probably am wrong short in the Nasdaq right now. I'm probably wrong. Now that I look at this, I'm probably wrong. Yeah, I'm wrong. Hmm. Hmm. Damn. Man, 66, 55. Dude, that thing would have, no. Would have just probably just stopped me out. And then you gotta remember that VWAP right there. This trend indicator on gold and ES is giving out trades. If you got in at this indicator right here, I mean, you got over, and that's about 20 points right there, huh? 60, just, you know, just about 60. Oh, there's a trend indicator gave you 20 points. I mean, shit, if you got here, you got this short. It's just that it just sucks on the Nasdaq. I guess the Nasdaq is mad at me. She's stopping me out to the tick now. Like she's literally stopping me out at the tick and going in my direction. Nice one, NQ. Nice one. She literally stopped me out at the tick and now it's going in my direction. I guess she doesn't like the fact that I'm with gold now. I'm with gold now. I mean, let's see. I mean, shit. If this thing, we'll see. All right, so let's see if oh shit, this is the wrong one. 3 points. What is that? 3 points from there. 4, 5. Oh. Kind of hard not to do that. Oh, actually, you know what? You know what? This thing actually might pull back to 290 now that I'm looking at it at a higher time frame chart. This actually might pull back to 290. This actually might pull back here. I'll probably close that. All right, so let's see. Let's see if they're going to bounce it here or not. Mm, well, I probably should. If we see a bounce right here, I probably should take it like right there, but we're gonna see what happens. Let's see if we see a bounce here. Yeah, they got like a hell of a lot of liquidity right there at 290. Because I mean, either they was gonna bounce it at 290, or they're gonna break through and sell it. Yeah, it doesn't do that. I mean, if that shit breaks, either shit, I'm wrong. All right. I mean, shit, either I take this right here, or I accept the consequences that this could be sold off right here. You know what, NQ? You literally stopped me out just to do that, huh? Hmm. That's fine. I don't trade you anymore. That's fine. I got my new bad bitch, gold. Now I'm not saying she a gold digger, but she ain't messing with them, bro. Hey, yo, what's up, Mohammed? He said, Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, Investor Z. Dude, I don't know. I mean, I can't go back to Nasdaq. I don't have to tolerate that. Gold is like for me, after you get out of years of abuse, it's funny. After years of abuse and manipulation and gaslighting, you finally have somebody that tells you the truth. And not only does she tell you the truth, she don't keep you waiting all damn day to see if you were wrong or not. All right. Yeah, I should have took it. I mean, it was right there. I can't say that she didn't tell me that I was wrong here potentially. I mean, gold can potentially still go down. I'm not saying that it can't, but the bears are definitely selling it at the 21 EMA, and they ain't making it easy for bulls. So bulls are trying to hold it up in this range, but I think we see a flush. Yeah, we see a flush. Yeah, there we go. There goes that flush. See, gold don't lie. Gold does not lie. The Nasdaq lies though. She told me I was wrong by stopping me out and then going in my direction. You gotta love her. Mohammed, so I've been kind of playing around with gold. I think I'm making that transition to gold. We've had way more opportunities on gold. We've made way more money on gold today. Yeah, I know. This is probably Gold Anonymous now. Well, Alfred, when I'm in the sim, like that's why I kind of tell y'all guys, like, and when I'm in the sim, I'm just kind of practicing. I'm trying to see what works without no risk. Because there's plenty of times where it's like, in the moment you have your doubts, but it's like, you know what, the structure doesn't suggest this or that or blah blah blah. So you don't take it, or at least I won't take it. I mean, if I'm in an eval, obviously all the trades that I'll be taking will be the best trades possible. Win or lose, it'll be the best. If I'm in the sim, I'm taking more risk because I'm trying to see what will happen, kind of simulate what will happen if I was actually in a trade. And what it does for me is if I see something like this when I'm in an eval, I just know that, you know what, I've seen this, it doesn't work. Either I'm wrong and let me flip my bias, or if I'm right, I need to see why I'm right. But I kind of knew I was wrong here. And then plus, like I said, I'm still kind of detoxing from the Nasdaq. I still project the Nasdaq onto gold. I mean, I think y'all guys can see that. I do project Nasdaq onto gold. And I guess gold is going to keep teaching me the lesson that she's not the Nasdaq. She is not the Nasdaq. She is gold. Because I said something so foolishly. I was like, there's no way. Oh, shit. You know what, Nasdaq? You see, and this is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. This is why I don't want to trade the Nasdaq anymore. This is what I'm talking about. All my targets would have got hit. Every single one of them would have got hit. Ugh. Every one of my targets would have got hit. So yeah, this is the second time that the Nasdaq did that shit to me in one session. So I guess she's mad that I'm trading the Nasdaq, or I'm guess she's mad I'm trading gold. She's like, go over there and trade that other bitch then. Don't come over here with that. Every time you come over here, I'm gonna make it my mission to stop you out and then hit your targets. So go trade that other bitch. 5. I mean, if I would have survived this. Hmm. 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 Yeah, that's definitely. Yeah, I'm gonna get these. I'm gonna get this target hit potentially. This is definitely gonna potentially come back up here. I mean, unless the bears come back in right here at this breaker structure down, I guess we're gonna have to potentially watch right there and see what happens. Oh. I'm not even surprised by that. Surprised by that. You about to go to the store? I'm not even surprised by that. I'm not surprised by that. Damn. You said that yeah, and that's what I'm talking about, man. Mama says NQ is the biggie bank. You said gold did the same thing. What are you talking about, Investor Z? You said gold did the same thing. You talking about the drop? Oh, you talking about this drop right there? And if the Nasdaq didn't stop me out, I had a target sitting at 885, 880, and this was my runner target. And let's see if it's going to get hit. 885. Come on, Nasdaq. Hit it. Hit that target. It's not even there, and she's still playing around with it. Look at that. Look at that. I don't gotta tolerate that. Goldie. So honestly, what I should start doing is once I start seeing these stop dots, I should start reducing my risk just in case price does come back. Because it seems like on gold and also the ES, these stop dots are freaking legit. They are legit. I mean, if you literally had your stop above this high right here, a couple of points or whatever, price almost came back, but all right, let's see. Let's see. I'm gonna put I'm gonna buy right here. I'm gonna see if it'll come back. And we'll see. We'll see what happens. We're gonna just, like I said, I'm gonna test out these indicators and stuff like that. But I'm gonna start paying attention to these stop dots for moving forward because they do seem legit. Like they're working more often than not. Nice one in Q. All right, so let's see. Let's see if she'll be nasty to me here. Of course she's gonna be nasty to me. Of course. 885. 58. Oh, he was going to shorten it and blast it up. All right, so I'm in. It looks like, man, look at that, bro. Like, look at that. Perfect entry, huh? It tapped that stop dot, and then we got a blast up. It doesn't mean that it'll work. It means that the market definitely reacts at that indicator though. And Investor Z, because the one thing that you have to also watch out with gold is something that I've noticed is if you try to short an area where you have a breaker structure to the upside, it's highly likely that there's going to be unfilled orders here. The market will run it, obviously, like they always do, but it's always going to blast. Or let me rephrase that. It's highly likely that we're going to see a reaction from the market. So with gold, I'm always looking at like lows and highs where the market breaks structure to the upside. It breaks prior structure to the upside because that's usually a guaranteed trade. It's like a 9 out of 10 trade. It's kind of hard to lose those types of trades. It really is. It really is hard to lose those types of trades. I mean, that's exactly why we're seeing this big move up in the Nasdaq. Like I've said before, all the Nasdaq did was retest that breaker structure to the upside. That was 1,688 points. So if there was enough buyers to push price that high, there's obviously going to be unfilled buy orders in that area. And it's not a coincidence that the market came all the way back into that area perfectly, and then we saw a bounce. It's not a coincidence. At least I don't think it is. The market did that shit on purpose. I mean, shit. I mean, we're not really trading. I'm going to show y'all guys what I'm talking about. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to 4-hour chart on the Nasdaq. Let me do this. So I'm pretty sure it's easily going to be seen there. This is where we got that breaker structure at, right there. That high. This is where we got that breaker structure right there. And from that breaker structure high, it was a 1,600 point move. So price coming back into this area, it only made sense for the market to tap perfectly into it and we see a reaction higher. But I mean, now we've traded into supply. So it's like, well, do we see the bulls step up and then push this thing higher, or do we see them knock this thing down? I'm surprised the Nasdaq let me stay in this one. I'm surprised. My stop was too far back and she couldn't touch it. I guess if she really wants it, she'll come and get it. If she really wants it. Let me look at gold real quick. Get that stopped out. Well, this is probably a good area right here to sell. Right where all the bulls got stopped out of their position. And it broke structure to the downside. But, I mean, I don't know. Well, we'll see what happens here. We got this area right here. We got this break of structure. But we do got this double bottom here. So, I mean, if the bears can come back in here right here, then we should see a stop run down. We should see a stop run down. So we'll see what happens here. So either this is a double bottom and we're about to go up higher, or this is a breaker structure and, well, it looks like we're about to go higher. We'll see. We'll see. Well, it looks like I've gone over. So, okay. So, I guess before we ended, I got to get into this meeting. I guess before we ended, let's see. This could be a double bottom right here. I think the way this thing is looking, this looks like a double bottom. This is looking like a double bottom. Or I may have gotten in too early. I may have gotten in too early with this one. Maybe I should have shorted 96. Maybe that's probably where I should have shorted at. I probably should have shorted this breaker structure and not this one. Probably 96, probably 300, or yeah, 96, 300, potentially somewhere in this area, probably right here. Or if this is a move higher, this could be the market's attempt to potentially break these highs and go higher and get back up to 27. All right, so on gold, I'm looking at a range between 340 and 335. 340 and 345 for a potential reversal. We also have a level at around 325 and 320. So 320, 325, 320, and around 340 and 335. If price kind of gets back up into these areas up here, like 320 might actually be probably where we probably see a rejection, but obviously the price action is going to have to tell us that. And I guess this is a great way to end the stream. The Nasdaq, I guess my stop was too far back and she couldn't touch it, so she was like, I guess I might as well. After she cheated me out of this short, I guess she's making it up for this long. So, but all right, guys, that's it for me. We'll definitely come back later on tonight, and we'll look for more ways to earn some more money. And with that said, peace out.